watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab, Rayagada.
एवं स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन मु वर्तमान मोर शीर्षक है आजिर नारी ज्ञान साहस देखाई होइछि महरिया नारी नुहैया जे अबला दुर्गा
Rayagada district, on the 8th of March 2021, International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March every year, to celebrate the womanhood, and is a time to reflect courage and determination by ordinary women, who have played an extraordinary role in the history of their countries and communities.
जहार शरीर से होछि नारी नारीर तुलना नाही नारी सहित काहाको तुलना करा जाय न पारे ता सहित के समकक्ष ना काहे कि ना नारीर से होछि जननी से होछि भगिनी से होछि जाया नारी तार प्रतिटी सोपान रे अति उत्तम भाବରେ तार कार्य संपादन करथाय।
A program on 8th of March 2021 was organized at Sanskriti Ladies Club, near Kalki Temple, Rayagada, by a number of cerebral women as part of International Women's Day celebration. The chief guest of the event was police officer Mrs. Shipra Kumari, whereas social worker Mrs. Bidulata Huika and Dr. D.K. Mohanty as an intellectual person were the respected guests.
Sir, today is the International Women's Day, and by means of this day, all the dynamic ladies are together and performance their performance. And what you will say about this?
This International Women's Day has been very gorgeously organized by Sanskriti Club Rayagada, Sanskriti Ladies Club Rayagada. It is a rare privilege on my part to be present in this occasion and enjoy it. The main theme of International Women's Day is how to generate a sense of self-confidence among women, and in that way they have proved that they are no less than Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai or Lakshmi Saigal, who was the captain of Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai regiment organized by Subhash Chandra Bose. They have got organizing power, they have got ability to perform, and they have got excellent sense of self-confidence. I congratulate them.
I'm Ruby Rani Gundu, the board member of Sanskriti Maharashtra right now. Through a one play, which is entirely directed and written by our member Vitarani Misra, and all the gorgeous members for the first ever time they are performing for this performance. And the message to the society is today the International Women's Day, so the freedom must be given to all the women to think the way they want to, they perform the way they want to, and they should have the actually the freedom to do anything. That is the message to the society, and today they are performing the various role of a woman, like a mother, a grandmother, a daughter-in-law, a grandchild, children. These are the various sides of women today they are performing.
Being this organization, some of the improvement or some of the goal or destinations you want to do in future?
Actually, our Sanskriti Maharashtra has been established since 27 years, and we have already done so much work in our club for the society, various social works and cultural works we used to do, and in near future also we have the same goal that we will perform more social work and more cultural work, and sometimes we used to do the health program and awareness program, and sometimes the plantation program also we used to do.
Sanskriti Ladies Club, when it established, madam?
Actually 27 years before, exactly.
The event was presided over by Mrs. Sujata Madla, Mrs. Shipra also highlighted that the society at large should always be concerned and sensitive towards the needs, requirements of women and should come forward to support the overall development of women. A play was directed by Mrs. Rita Rani Mishra on behalf of the institution to raise awareness of women. This, of course, made the audience an overnight sensation with morality for the women. President Mrs. Sujata Madala, Secretary Mrs. Malati Chaudhary and Treasurer Mrs. Rashmita Panda with all other associates of Sanskriti Ladies Club, Raigada present at there. There was a walking competition on behalf of the Sanskriti Ladies Club in which the chief guest distributed the prizes to the runners, winners and consolation accordingly. Report from editor Manoj Kumar Mishra, Sigma Media Lab.